themselves, no? And at marami dito sa Baguio, sa mga schools and yung mga even our out of school youth can also join. And we will have an on-the-spot community mural painting. So it's going to be a co-creation activity. No? So it's not just a display, but a co-creation. So anyone can volunteer to be part of the mural painting. So this is going to be along Sunshine Park, no? Or within Sunshine Park. And then yung area 2, we will have open-air exhibits. So we will have the light boxes as you have seen in previews. Syempre papalitan natin yung mga artworks na i-display natin doon. And then we will have the bio profiles and portraits of local photographers also will be featured yung mga works nila in light boxes. And a centerpiece artwork by woodcarver Christopher Atiwon. And installation art piece by Clint Anniversario. And we invite other artists na pwede rin naman silang sumama, no? And then we will have curated art exhibits and demos by some of our artists, sina Mike Segundo, sina Sigrid Bangyay for pottery. So not just within Baguio, but also yung mga artists din natin from all over Cordilleras. And then we'll have knitting, crocheting, because yung knitting and crocheting, naging part na yan ng Baguio's art scene, so we will include that. And then wearable or art community, hand-painted, tie-dyed apparel. And then we will have also performances, because Sunshine Park may stage na doon eh. If you remember, we have a Kalasag mural also there in commemoration or in recognition of all our yung mga kalasags natin or shield natin during the pandemic. So perhaps we can also enhance that, and we will have performances on stage. So, and then of course, as I mentioned, yung DOTCAR art part will also have demos of artists. No? So that's going to be the details on the DOT art in the park. So more and more every year, madami tayong artists na involved in this art in the park. So hope you will also visit, and let us support all our artists and artisans. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Joby.